Hey gang, Jeff Wizzery, jeffwizzery.com. Just like the blog introduction description mentioned, this video is part one of my social media mastery series. If you're serious about using Facebook as a marketing medium to promote you, your products, your services, Facebook has really restricted and put some, shall we say, policing tactics to use to steer you away from using your personal Facebook site just as a means of showing how important you are with a large number of friends. So if you're going to start promoting yourself and trying to monetize Facebook as a tool for social media, Facebook is saying, look, we want you to create a page. We don't care as long as you stay within our parameters and ethics. You can have as many people come visit your page, like your page, look at what you have to sell, promote, service, whatever it is. So with that in mind, I want to create this video. It's super simple to create a Facebook page. There's no magic about it. First of all, you see this is the page. If you go up here in your browser, you just want to type in www.facebook.com, just like you would logging into Facebook, but then put /pages, which is plural, /create.php, and that'll bring you to this page, and you can bookmark it. You can also go on Google and type in the search how to create a Facebook fan page or page. I'm sure it'll come up with the same thing. But I just bookmark all these pages so I have them in my social media network marketing folder. So now you'll see on the main page there's 6 categories. Most of the time, I just keep it generic since I'm promoting a certain network marketing affiliate service or a MLM company. Generally, this is one I'll choose, local business or place. If you were a government entity or church, you might want to pick the company, organization, or institution. If you have a specific brand, like a wonderful perfume or a certain flower variety you're selling, that would probably be the one. But you'll have to peruse through these. So I'm going to pick local business or place, click on that. You'll see in the drop-down box, it asks you for the information. So I'm just going to create a dummy fan page here. The category, it gives you all these different categories. I'm in business, obviously, to promote and make a living. So I'll click on business services. And then I'm just going to create a page description for my business. I'll call it Jeff's MLM Magic. Yeah, maybe I could use that later. It sounds good. And then they want to know the street address. I'm just going to use a dummy address here, 555 Main Street, and then Minneapolis. And a lot of this stuff's saved, so I just type in the first couple letters, and voila, pops up. And then I'll put in my actual zip code, and we're almost done. And then a phone number. We'll do the Hollywood movie thing that they all say 555, like 1212, and if anybody actually has that number, I apologize ahead of time. And then you want to agree to Facebook's terms, and then just hit Get Started. And you're in. You just created Jeff's MLM Magic. That's how simple it is. Now, the first thing Facebook does is they take you through these steps to add an image. You can invite your friends. You can tell your fans if you have a large fan base. You can post your status updates. You can promote this page on your website with a like box, and that's pretty cool. I'll go into that in a minute. But first of all, you want to upload an image, so you just click Upload an Image from your computer. And like anything else, you browse, and hopefully, depending on how advanced you are, you'll have set up an image, whether it's an HTML editor or something catchy, like I could put MLM, turbocharge your MLM, and then maybe have some logos on it, and that goes. Facebook basically, I believe they allow 200 across pixel-wise by 600 tall, so it's going to take up about this much space. So you want to make sure that your constraints when you create your image are within that. I'm not going to actually upload an image, but you get the point. So basically, that's what the upload an image is. Once it uploads, it goes into this area here, and that's what people see when they first visit your page. Again, invite your friends, tell your fans. That's all real easy to do if you have friends and fans already. This like box is something I wanted to talk to you about because it's pretty cool. Normally, Facebook has a like button up in the, kind of the upper area of the page or your Facebook site. With this, you can actually add a like button. Say if you're developing a capture page in iframes, which is Facebook's new program methodology, and I'm going to shoot a video on that, so don't worry about that for now. But having a like button is pretty cool. What you do is you just enter the URL of your page, and it assigns you a URL. Once you create, like I did with this page, you can just copy and paste it into this URL box. The width, I wouldn't worry about. That's just how long it's going to be in pixels. I always use a light color scheme. If you go dark, it makes everything really dark. Some people like that. I like keeping things light. So yeah, it gives you that choice. You can show faces, which are these faces of people that basically like your page, or you can get rid of them. And it's up to you. I'll just go with get rid of them for now. And then basically, if you show your stream here, okay, it'll actually include this little box with the information. So again, if you want to have faces, if you want to show your stream, and you want to build a bigger a platform for the like button, I usually keep this stuff off because I just want people to like it, keep it clean. And then the header, you can show your header if you want. It doesn't make much difference because it previews everything. And then all you do is hit get code. And this is your iframe code. This is your FBML. FBML is the old code that Facebook used for their applications on their old fan pages. As of, I think, early in March, second week of March, they went to iframe. So this is their new programming language. So they're going to allow this through the end of the year. Iframes is going to be the only thing you're going to be able to use when building a Facebook page come, I believe, January 1st, 2012. So anyways, just copy that. Put it in I always say when you're building these things, make a little notepad or a Pages if you're using Mac, and just label these and save these in separate files so you can copy and paste. Because once you get good at this stuff, folks, you're going to probably have quite a few of these different pages and whatnot once you get into full-blown marketing. And then just hit OK. And then what you do, I'll show you in the next video, is you just paste that like code into the iframes template when you're building your capture page within your page that people sign up for, whatever product and service you're selling. And it adds a nice little pretty like button up there. So it's pretty cool. So that is it. That's as easy as it is to build a Facebook page. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can always go to jeffwizard.com and contact me. My contact information is there. And other than that, I want to wish all of you happy marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.